Hello, my name is Chantal and I'm from the beautiful country South Africa. I'm a certified TEFL teacher specializing in business English and conversational English. With a strong background in customer service and corporate environments, I help my students not only improve their English, but also use it effectively in real-world business settings. Whether it's communicating clearly with clients, writing professional emails, or speaking confidently in meetings, I tailor each lesson to your unique needs. My teaching approach is goal-orientated, engaging, and practical. I incorporate real-life scenarios, role plays, and interactive exercises that mirror the situations you face in your daily or professional life. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, networking event, or just want to express yourself more naturally, I'll guide you every step of the way. I truly enjoy working with professionals and learners who are motivated to grow. I've seen students go from hesitant speakers to confident communicators, and that transformation is what drives me as a tutor. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, I'd like to help you. Book a session with me today and let's start building the confident, fluent version of you. I look forward to meeting you.